Come on, you sure?
Hey, listen, you gotta do the water bottle trick.
The water bottle trick?
You gotta do it.
Do you have any special talent?